P0lice launch manhunt for ex-lawyer who removed his ankle tracker and stabbed his mother to death. Richard Merritt, 44, is on the run from police after failing to surrender himself to Cobb County Jail last week, and he's also suspected of killing his mother in Georgia. Police have launched a nationwide search for an ex-lawyer who allegedly removed his ankle tracker and murdered his mother, after failing to surrender himself for a 30-year sentence. Richard Merritt, 44, was sentenced to 1.5 decades behind bars and another 15 on probation last month, after he was found guilty of stealing from and exploiting 17 of his clients. Given a week to get his affairs in order, Merritt never appeared at the County Cobb Jail in Georgia to begin his sentence on February 1. U.S. Marshals headed to a Stone Mountain home to detain the disgraced lawyer but found his mother, Shirley Merritt, dead at the bottom of the stairs. Merritt was issued a 30-year sentence last month after he was found guilty of 34 counts of theft and exploitation. It was also found Shirley Merritt, 77, was found dead at the bottom of the stairs in her home, in Stone Mountain, Georgia, with a series of stab wounds in her side, and a steak knife found next to her lifeless body. The 77-year-old had been violently killed according to police, with a series of stab wounds in her side and a steak knife found next to her body. Merritt, however, was nowhere to be found, and police have now identified him as the main suspect of the murder, having purportedly removed his ankle bracelet and fled the home. Authorities say Merritt should be considered armed and dangerous in an announcement on Thursday and warned the public to keep their distance. U.S. Marshals believe he may be fleeing the state in his mother's 2009 silver Lexus RX 350, license plate CBV6004. He probably knows people all over the country, being a lawyer, said Frank Lemke of the U.S. Marshals. He could be anywhere. We think he may be. Police say they are investigating a number of Merritt's associates and contacts in the hope of locating the fugitive. Lemke also aired concern that Merritt could be seeking revenge on the former clients who pressed charges leading to his conviction. We don't know what's going on with him, but he's very unpredictable. He could hurt or kill someone else at this point, he said. The 44-year-old was disbarred in 2018, having been a lawyer for 18 years. He blamed his misconduct. Merritt, a former partner of Merritt Fletcher LLC, became a lawyer in 2000 but was disbarred in January 2018. In 2017, he pleaded guilty to stealing $75,000 from a client, and more charges were raised the following year. He was indicted on a total of 34 criminal charges and stole $420,000 from 17 different clients, the Supreme Court found. Merritt is said to have spent the stole cash on a series of lavish holidays and even bought a Porsche. The 44-year-old cited alcohol abuse as the reason for his wrongdoing. He was issued a 30-year sentence by Judge Robert Flournoy, with 15 to be served in prison. Merritt was also ordered to pay $454,706 in restitution. DeKalb Police is asking anyone with information on the whereabouts of Richard Merritt to please call 770-724-7850 or Crime Stoppers at 404-577 tips 8477. The comments below have been moderated in advance. By posting your comment you agree to our. Do you want to automatically post your Mail Online comments to your Facebook timeline? Your comment will be posted to Mail Online as usual. Do you want to automatically post your Mail Online comments to your Facebook timeline? Your comment will be posted to Mail Online as usual. We will automatically post your comment and a link to the news story to your Facebook timeline at the same time it is posted on Mail Online. To do this, you can choose on each post whether you would like it to be posted to Facebook. Your details from published by Associated Newspapers Limited. Part of the Daily Mail, the Mail on Sunday Metro Media Group.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.